We're at Wat Tham Khao. This is just one of the stops of our day today. We've been going around to museums and cemeteries. So we stopped off here. Got a gong. Go bang the gong.
You want to do that?
Yeah. Oh, look how cool. You got little places you can go down and get a video. Look down here. These are the tracks that go to the bridge of the River Kwai. We're upriver from it. Okay, you have to enter the curve here. It looks like it's a coffee shop or snack shop. If you want to go down on that little swingy circle shaped thing that's down the hill. It's part of this establishment.
Yeah, they have a lot of restaurants here. This restaurant or there or here too.
Oh, they've got
A lot of restaurants.
they've got a deck up above for viewing as well.
The curve.
Yeah, this is we're going to try to go up there to where that temple is and see if we can't fly the drone. It's supposed to have a beautiful 360-degree view of Kanchanaburi.
This name.
Barme.
Barami.
Oh, here's another cafe, a W-story cafe.
Yeah. I think that is cafe too.
It's another cafe down below. The Barme is a cafe below. And it looks like there was one here in the past, but the building is gone.
Yeah, cafe.
Just the old stairs and floor left. Everything else is gone.
This is cafe.
This is not a cafe. Hidden Heaven.
Kanchanaburi.
Just I hear a train going by. Just happened to get lucky and catch a train going by. This one, that train came across the bridge of the River Kwai. You can pay for tours. I meant to get the rates and times, but
It's Jamek One In.
she's a big girl. Very tall.
One In. The first one.
Wat Tham Khao. So we're gonna have to go up the stairs all the way up there. This is the first stop as we're going up the stairs. There's a platform here. You see a Buddha off there in the distance. So you get quite a view from up here. See the mountains all the way around us. We got to continue going up the stairs to get to that one. And this is the one on the first platform. Really tall. A reference how from Jai, she didn't even get to the platform yet. Okay, I made it up to nearly to the top, up the stairs. Jai's just getting barely started. You can see how high we are. And I still have a few more steps to go to get to all the way to the top. Okay, I'm up on the platform now for this monument. Very tall. It's an overcast day, not the greatest. You see they've got lots of lighting here. to light this thing up at night. Looking up and down the Khwae River. And on this side over here is looking into the city of Kanchanabri. Yeah, be prepared for a hike if you're going to do the stairs. It's a good hike. For taking the trip with us. We hope you enjoyed the content. If you wouldn't mind, please reach down to the bottom, smash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. We're out.